machine, button fix machine, button hole machine, bar tack machine, fabric examining. There are many machines out there. Single needle is only used with a single needle. The machine have only single needle. Double needle is not much different with the single needle. It have two needle of machines. Button fixing is to fix the button in the fabric. Button hole is to hold the fabric for button. There are many. Single needle machine is a single needle machine is standard machine used for produce straight stitches. Single needle machines only can use with straight line, not a zigzag or a cross. Anything it can be not. It must be in a straight line stitches. With a single thread from a top spool and a bobbin thread underneath. It is versatile and commonly used for garment constructions and general sewing tasks. Only with a straight line, single thread. It must be in a spool pin. It comes with a stitch. Loop makes a single stitch. And parts and functions of their single needle machine is needle, pressure foot, feed dogs, bobbin case, bobbin winder. Needle is used for the fabric to move the stitches. Needle is used for make the stitches. Pressure foot holds the fabric finally in the place during stitching to ensure accurate and even sewing. Feed dogs is used for metal teeth that move fabric forward and backward. Metal teeth forward and backward. The needle stitches are made. Bobbin supplies the lower of threads. Lower thread require the create a lock stitch. Make the stitch must be looks like a loop, continuous loop. The bobbin is used for. Bobbin case function with holds the bobbin in place and regulates the tension of the bobbin thread. Thread tension mechanism and then stitch selector, head wheel, throat plate, spool pin, foot pedal, re-arrest lever, take up lever. There are many. Thread tension mechanism is controls the tightness or looseness of the taut thread to ensure the bad stitch. Machine must be in the, we need to take care of the machine like oiling, cleaning. The loops must be loose and it must be used with thread tension mechanism. Stitch selector. Stitch selector allows the tension choose different stitch types through the basic single needle machine typically foods to straight stitching. It could be in a straight stitch, not must be in a zigzag line. Head wheel manually raises and lowers the needle, allowing a precise control for starting and stopping. Head wheel is the stop and it must be end. The stitches may be in a straight way or a backward or forward. Throat plate. Flat metal plate with a slat for the needle to pass through, providing a smooth surface for fabric glide over. Spool pin holds the spool of thread in place during sewing. Foot pedal controls the speed of the sewing machine versus pressure foot applied the user. Reverse lever engages between stitches must be in the reverse stitches brings. Take up lever pulls the thread from the spool and puts through the needle for accordingly. This is the single needle machine, same as this. It must be in a single needle. Parts like pressure foot, thread bobbin